Okay, welcome to the Downy Woodpecker. We're going to learn both the males and the females of the Downy Woodpecker. There is a distinct difference between males and females. Not a large difference, but a distinct marking that makes them unique in terms of whether it's a male or a female. Downy woodpeckers we will see periodically, particularly on the suet feeders that we will have out, not necessarily on the seed feeders. They are one of the smallest woodpeckers, predominantly black and white. White chest, breast, side, flank, black in the wings with lots of white speckling, with a white back. And then the head is where we want to pay particular attention to the difference between the male and the female. Note the red patch on the nape of the male, and I'll show you a picture momentarily. The female, she does not have that red patch. They have the same black to white to black to white color pattern in their head, so you want to pay particular attention to that red patch. Both males and females are sparrow-sized birds, quite small. There's the color pattern there, checkered black and white. And we'll look through some pictures here. Don't pay attention, please, to the juvenile picture. But note the male and female almost identical. The female, no red patch on the back of her head. Okay, here's again male, female, no red patch. Very similar markings overall, except for the lack of the red patch. Again, paying attention to the field marks listed below each of the pictures. And a video of the Downy woodpecker. The female, she doesn't have the red mark on the back of her head. We talk about types of feet, types of claws there. Note the claws on the Downy woodpecker enable it to perch like this on the side of a tree. Okay, and there you have the male and the female Downy woodpecker.